Hi, good morning. Right now it's about 8 a.m. and we're going to a small waterfall. We're walking, I think it's like a 10-minute walk. It's called Cinco because it means 5 and there's 5 levels to this waterfall. We're in Baganga again, always. So yeah, it's a 10-minute walk. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be tiring or not. But we're kind of walking through like the jungle, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll start filming when I get back there. Andrew, you good? I guess we're here. Oh gosh. Andrew, did you have a good time walking?
Nope.
So here's Cinco. There's 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we can't really see the 5th layer. But, oh no, is he gonna jump?
Slide, not a jump.
It's a slide. Yeah, same.
I just hope it's deep enough.
Yeah, I think it's fine. Oh gosh.
Yo!
Yo! Oh my gosh.
I want to do it.
Sean, go, go, go.
No, you do it.
I'm gonna go next. I'm gonna jump on the thing.
As you see, he's going to the waterfall. He's going to jump off that massive ledge and hope there's no flakes down there. Good luck. Jump.
Do a flip!
No, he's going to die.
Gonna die while doing a sick flip.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Jump!
Go!
Jump! Jump! Make sure you don't hit anything on the way down. Oh, I heard that slap.
I just jumped. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. It was fun. I thought I was so scared, but it was fine. I'm probably gonna do it again.
Gonna jump again?
Here, look how big of a jump it is. Oh gosh. Andrew, here.
Actually, there is.
Adios.
Are you ready?
Oh, shit.
You could hear that slap. Jesus.
Okay, John, here's a good place to jump from. Last step.
I think now I'm gonna try going to the bottom and hopefully I don't slide off. So
It'll be a lot cooler looking at the GoPro. Hey, send it. Got this. Oh.
I'm gonna go up to that cliff and then I'm gonna do a jump off.
That was too close.
As you can see, the path isn't exactly the safest looking thing. But like, here, we'll try. Oh gosh. I do not want to fall. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's so slippery. It's not even, it's wet. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we finally made it. Careful! Oh my gosh. Andrew, your turn. The way there isn't that bad, but what's even scarier is the way back. But I have to take my phone back, and it's not exactly waterproof, so oh my gosh, I have to go there one-handed. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Frick! Okay, the hardest part is over. We're safe now. There's snacks? There's snacks! Snacks? Another thing we're gonna do is we're gonna like slide down the slide with leaves. I'm here with leaves.
Alright, so Brother David,
This is the leaf, and they're gonna teach us how to slide.
and we're gonna slide into these leaves. There.
John, let's let them show us first. They wetted the leaf. Oh, they splash water into the waterfall. Oh, to make it wet, like a slide.
Slides are in.
Yes, really smart.
Even take a photo, please.
And then, oh gosh, that looks so fun.
See, that's good.
They're making the part where you're gonna sled. They're making it wet to make it slippery. Pastilan. There it is. Ooh. Yep, it worked.
Go!
Oh my gosh, si Andrew.
John, go! What was that?
Nakikilang lubot.
Okay, I think we finally made it.
One decided that the best way to rinse off his soap was by jumping. Go! Oh my god. He's clean now. He's clean.
Okay, that was really fun, but we already showered, so we're gonna leave now. So, yep, what's it called? Late. It's a waterfall, Cinco 5. Oh gosh, it's pretty scary, but I mean, if you can get over your fears, it's really fun. And now the 10-minute walk back. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're heading back now. But if you're ever in Catillo, maybe you can ask someone where Lake or Cinco is. That'll be fun. So that was the waterfall in Catillo. It's called Cinco, 5 for 5 steps. And if you're ever in Catillo and want to, jump off some cliffs, do some flips, hit some dives, or just go to a fun, kind of secret place, that is a really nice place to go to, Cinco. So, yeah. Uh-oh. Is it good?
Yeah. It's not attached on top of it, but it's dirty.
What the heck?
Oh, it's a cute baby
Look.
pig. Looks a cute baby
It's a baby pig.
over there. Over there, look at that baby pig.
What the heck?
That baby pig in the green shirt and orange pants.
Oh, look at the babies. Anyway, I'm really happy we could come here because I didn't film this, but we actually went to a ton of resorts before this. So we're staying here in Baganga and Catillo. So we tried going to Lake Carolina. We went to this island place, but because of quarantine's really strict. It's no reserve. You can't come. So we went to tons of places, but they were all closed. We weren't allowed in. But this place, Cinco, isn't even a resort, so we're just allowed to go in because only really the locals know about it. So that's really great that we could come here when everything else was closed. Round 2 of swimming, guys.
Nice, pristine, clear water.
Yeah, you could probably drink out of it.
What?
That's a massive crab.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I've seen Andrew take bigger crabs, but still.
That's Carabal's soup.
That's massive.
Looks delicious. What? Lamit kaayo.
Lamit kayo. Lamit kayo. God, look, the carabaos are taking a shower. What? There's another one over there. That's probably the one that took a poop. That thing's massive.
That's the same water we
Taking a
showered
shower.
in.
Oh,
Same water we
gosh.
showered in.
Oh my God.